갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Better Life. For the benefit of those that are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all. Thank you so much for clicking. For my returning subscribers, thank you. God bless you all. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can glowing up your skin, get rid of hyperpigmentation, get a baby face, get rid of those wrinkles, firm up your skin, look younger than your age. So for us to come up, we need egg white. As you can see, I just separate the yolk from the egg white. So I'm going to measure 2 tablespoons of egg white for this recipe. Egg white prevents pimples and cysts on your face. It also helps to reduce acne on your face. Egg white also helps to form a protective layer on your face, and which helps to prevent sunburn and blisters. So now, after measuring the 2 teaspoons of the egg white, I will now bring the next ingredients for today, which is coffee. Coffee is very good in exfoliating the face. It's going to help to get rid of every dead skin cell from your face. Its content helps to kill dead skin cell and remove impurities from the skin, which helps to make our skin look so youthful, younger and beautiful and smooth. Also stimulates blood flow, which reduces acne and even cellulite. It's very important. So I'm going to measure 2 teaspoons of coffee into the mixture, as you can see. So moving on to next, we'll be needing sugar. Eating with sugar helps to create appearance of smooth and glowing skin. It also helps to get rid of every dead skin cell from the skin and our face. It's very important. Sugar is a good exfoliator when it comes to this. So I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of the sugar into the mixture, as you can see. So moving on to the next ingredient. So guys, I'm making use of apple cider vinegar with the mother. The one with the mother is very important in case if you are getting one. So I'll be adding just a tablespoon of this to the mixture. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties, and it contains an acetic acid which helps to unplug the pores and get rid of oil, and it sucks the oil from our face or skin. It's very important that I'm going to make use of 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar also has the ability to restore the proper pH level of your skin. It's very good. So I'm gonna mix everything together till we're combined. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to apply it for an effective result. Guys, if you have watched up till this point, kindly subscribe in case if you have not done that yet. Did you see how I'm applying it? Just apply generously, like the way I'm doing now, in a circular motion. Try this recipe once every week. Come back and thank me. Okay, this is not a joke, guys. I'm very serious. Just give this recipe a shot. Just once a week, you will see amazing results. So how are you using this? Just apply it. After applying it, just allow it to sit on your face for 15 minutes. All right, just you can also get your neck the way I'm doing now. Get your neck. This will help to firm up your skin, give you a baby face, get rid of wrinkles, help your face, no more acne, sunburn. It's going to take care of them. Do you see that glow? Do you see how beautiful my face is? This really helped me a lot, guys. So try this recipe and you come back and testify. Okay, so how are you going to store this? How are you going to use it? You don't store it, you don't do anything. If you want this recipe to be effective, just make it immediately and use it. You don't have to store it. Okay, that is why I just made the quantity I can be able to finish immediately. All right, just one you can finish. Don't store it. You don't have to store anything. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. I truly appreciate your love. Thank you, and please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. All right, bye.